DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont. So we got this brand new Porsche GT3 in the house, you guys. And so with this amazing color, check this out up close. That's gorgeous or what? But even though the customer just picked this up from Porsche, he brought it straight to us. Brand new vehicles still require a quick polish because there's minor imperfections in all vehicle paint. So therefore this customer, of course, when you purchase a GT3, he's going full body, 10-year paint protection film. And we want to make sure the paint is absolutely flawless. So we're going to perform our paint correction before we protect it, making sure that this paint looks amazing. And then our paint protection film is going to keep the paint looking stunning for 10 full years. So this customer will not have to worry about any rock chips, scuffs, scratches, tree sap, bird poop, you name it. And as you see, my man, we make paint correction look like art. This is what we do at DoubleTake Auto Spa in Fremont. So feel free to give us a call when you're ready to protect your luxury vehicle. Our number is 510-472-4181. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.